And today we are gonna look at a container that was planted and watered just one time. I sat it on my windowsill and waited less than a week. It's only been 6 days. So we made some predictions. Now let's check and see if our predictions are accurate. Look at that! And look how tall those plants are! Can you believe it? It's amazing! 6 days right there. 6 days of growth. And these plants are edible. So at this point in your exploration, now you have new flavors that you can try. So depending on what you put in your exploration kit, you might have corn, beans, peas, collards. You might have cilantro. You might have cucumber seeds, dill seeds. Who knows? I don't know what kind of seeds you have in your kit. Now, before you eat your new little seedlings, let's take a look at the different plant parts. So I can see different kinds of plants growing in here. And I can see these plants right here that have these big, thick parts coming up. And then I can see these that are almost like hooked around. So these parts are the cotyledon. Cotyledon. That's the thick part of the leaf that might be coming out. Now this one doesn't have some very obvious cotyledon, not like that one. That one's very different. And this one does. Those look like some cool, interesting cotyledon coming up. So we've got the stem, and then some baby leaves coming up. We look on the bottom, what do you think we'll find? What grows under the soil? We're gonna find some roots. So, look at the bottom of that container. Look at all those white strings winding around. Those are the root parts of these plants. And you can really see some differences in the size of the roots, even in the color of the roots. So take some time really looking closely at your plants, seeing if you can find the different parts of the plant and if you can find the roots in there. Then it's time to taste it. So next time we will do a flavor exploration of our seed experiment kit. Happy exploring!